and the eating is messy, and I've got some great stain removers for you today. First of all, the worst stain that exists is mustard. It's because it has turmeric in it. And as you can see, turmeric has a lot of color in it, and that's what gives mustard that yellow color. So what you want to do is you want to take a dull flat edge and you want to scrape off all the mustard you can. You want to get everything that you can scrape off of that before you touch it with anything. And then you want to immediately take lemon juice and squirt it all over it. Now, if you don't have real lemon, use the kind in the jar. It doesn't matter. Just get it on there as fast as you can. Let it soak for a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes or so, and then flush that with cold water. Now, if you got there fast enough and you're lucky, it may come out. If it doesn't, use your favorite laundry spotter on it. Now, this is a newer one. I'm trying to dissolve it, Laundry Saver, and it works really well on some of these tough stains. So give that a try on your mustard stains. Now, if you've got ketchup, it's easier to remove ketchup than any of the other ones with mustard in them. All you're going to do is put a little bit of your favorite detergent, whatever you use at home, in it. You're going to put that on, and then you'd be at your laundry, so you would just pour it on. You're not going to have to use a spoon like I am here. You're going to put it on, and you're going to work it in with the back of your hand, with the spoon, with your thumbs, whatever. Work it in well, flush it, make sure it comes out. If it doesn't, use some hydrogen peroxide and Dawn dish soap. Use 2 parts Dawn, 1 part hydrogen peroxide. Put it on, let it soak. Now, fruity stains. Club soda works great for those. Maybe you got a margarita, maybe you got a fruity little punch. You're just going to pour that club soda onto that stain, let it sit a few minutes to bubble it up. Also, rubbing alcohol will work great on that. If you've got stains from your cupcakes or frosting off a cake, use your favorite spotter or spray undiluted hydrogen peroxide on that stain. And if you've got that big old hamburger that drips right down your front, you know what? It's not that hard to remove. Take some rubbing alcohol, pour it on, flush it, and then if you still have a stain, put undiluted hydrogen peroxide on it, and go ahead and enjoy that barbecue. Hey guys, if you're looking for a printable copy of this, go to queenofclean.com. Check me out at Real Queen of Clean on Facebook and Instagram. And thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.